Hello and welcome to another episode of Premiere Bytes. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about how to change the names and the colors of Premiere's labels. This is pretty useful if you want to personalize Premiere Pro, and I found it very helpful, especially on bigger projects, to assign certain label colors and names to certain types of footage. Makes it just easier to navigate in your project. Let me show you how to do it. You navigate to your preference in Premiere and there you go to labels. And here you see all the names for your labels, and if you click on a color you'll be able to change it. And you'll also be able to change the label name here. As you can see, I already did this. For instance, I added B-roll, VO and interview and so on to it, which makes sense for the project I'm working on at the moment. And if you're changing your workstation, you'll also be able to take these with you. You could copy your profile folder and replace it on the new workstation. Be aware that this copies also all of your preferences with it. And just as a tip, if you want to know where your label names are stored, it's stored in the Adobe Premiere Pro prefs file, which lives in the Profile user folder. And if you open that file with a text editor, you can see exactly where your label names and the regarding colors are stored. Thanks a lot for tuning in again. I hope you found that short tutorial helpful. If you liked it, please press the subscribe button, tell everyone about these short tutorials, and make sure to tune in for the next one. Thank you very much.